For my student choice project, I decided to focus on collaborating with the math department in the library. As a former science teacher turned librarian, I find myself in a very unique position where I am much more comfortable collaborating with math and science than I am with history and English. Since the math department tends to be one of the harder teams to get into the library, I wanted to share a few ideas to open the doors to collaboration. To quote John Cieszka, everything is a math problem. The library is based off of a numerical system, and it is a fabulous place to teach math lessons. From place value and decimal points to formulating authentic word problems using characters and data from title pages, there's no shortage of math that can be done with just the actual library space. And on top of that, we've got lots of great books. From SAT and AP guides to manga and comic books that help teach math concepts, to my personal favorite, which is picture books, there is an abundance of resources to help with math. One of my personal favorite picture books is Amy Krauss Rosenthal's Duck Rabbit, which I have used from everything from graphing to teaching tally marks to plotting data, line of best fit, interpreting data. I mean, there is no shortage of applications for that cute little book. Math is also abundant in the makerspace. It is the M in STEM after all. From 3D printers to games, arts and crafts, augmented reality, there's so much you can do with your math department. We recently had ours in to use the Spiros to teach a lesson on direct variation. It only takes a little bit of imagination, and they are more than happy to figure out how to use your makerspace toys to enhance their lessons. In addition, there's no problem with making math mobile. There are thousands of fabulous applications and Web 2.0 technologies to assist with math that we didn't have when I was growing up. I would have loved to have access to Desmos, which is basically an online graphing calculator, or Wolfram Alpha, where a lesson can be taught basically on any problem you need to solve. There's even apps now that recognize the problems and will solve them for you simply by taking a picture of them. Don't forget that you are a resource as well. It's going to take a little bit of legwork and going to CLT meetings to convince the math department that you are serious about working with them. Promote new articles, books, apps, technology that you have, and all it really takes is one teacher being willing to collaborate with you and everyone else will be on board. If you're still stuck for ideas, check out the LibGuide I created to get even more information to start down the path of collaboration.